Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. It's been a while since I've been sharing what I've been cooking here in my kitchen, but I'm back and today I have 3 quick and easy but delicious evening meals that go down really well in our home, and everyone in the house loves each of these meals, so I'm going to share them with you. So I have chicken and mushroom vol au vents, quiche Lorraine, and then lasagna as well, which on this occasion I made individual lasagnas for everybody. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will put all the descriptions of the different recipes in the description box, so you don't need to worry about too much about exactly what I'm putting in here. But I have cooked off my chicken and I've added garlic, onion and mushroom, and I'm cooking those up together. Here, after the chicken has been cooked through and the veg, I'm adding in my flour and stirring constantly and making sure the flour gets cooked through for about a minute or 2. Then I'm adding in my stock. I'm going to make the sauce now that goes with the chicken. That was organic chicken stock I'm showing you there. And next is some milk. And so I added this gradually, like when you're making a white sauce, so a little bit at a time. And there is our chicken, mushroom, onion and garlic and the lovely sauce all ready to go. So I've put that aside. And then on this occasion I had some leftover potatoes I decided I'd fry up. So I had kept some bacon fat from when I was cooking rashers at the weekend, and I used that here for frying up the potatoes just to give that extra delicious taste. And I reheated my potatoes by frying them, and I added some garlic granules also. There's the potatoes cooked. Everyone in this house loves all the little bits that come out of the pan after you fry potatoes. So I'm trying to make sure I get as many of them out as I can. I had some of these green beans to use up out of the fridge, so I popped them onto steam. Here are the vol au vent cases that I use. I just get them in my local Super Value. They only take 6 to 8 minutes to cook up. You're probably really just reheating them, aren't you? And so this is later on anyway. I am reheating my chicken and mushroom sauce. The vol au vents have been heated in the oven. And I'm adding in my sauce. And at this stage now, everyone in the house is just dying to tuck into these because the smell is just amazing. Pop the cap back on. And there it is, our chicken and mushroom vol au vents. And I have served with some sauerkraut, the green beans and some coleslaw and the fried potatoes. And it was absolutely delicious. I know I say that quite often, but I only say it when I mean it. Next, on another evening, I'm moving on to the quiche Lorraine. I'm going to put the recipe up on screen and you can take a screenshot if you wish. It's going to come up momentarily. And this is the book I took it from. This is a fantastic book that I got years and years ago in a book club. So there's the recipe and the directions. You can take a screenshot there and work away and make this quiche if you wish, because it's yummy. So I'm making the pastry here, and then I'm going to leave it in the fridge to cool it while I prepare the rest of the quiche. So I love those dishes that you can prepare half of it in the morning, and then when it's coming close to dinner time, pull that out and keep going with your dinner prep. So this is one of those dishes, and so I had this part done earlier in the day and the pastry ready to go, and then I was able to just put the filling into the pastry and cook up the quiche when it was shortly before dinner time. And here's my pastry ready to roll out. Place this in the fridge now for 20 minutes. And this is the first time that I used these, of course I can't think of the name of them right now, but these beanie things that you get for, like, there it is, yes, baking beans, ceramic baking beans, and my first time using them for making a quiche. And I was delighted with how it turned out. So as a side for this dish, I have these big mushrooms that I'm going to fry and melt some cheese on top. And this is a family favourite. It's just a simple and delicious taste. So if you've not tried this before, I highly recommend it, just as a little side dish. So here I am ready to fill my pastry. I put in all my cooked rashers and onions, and then pour in the creamy mixture. As I said, I have the directions and the ingredients there in that clip earlier on that you can screenshot, so you'll see exactly how I did this. I'm going to sprinkle some of my cheese on top. And this was a really delicious quiche, and it's a Quiche Lorraine, and we all really enjoyed it. And here I am getting ready to serve up this beautiful quiche. And we had this, I think this was back in June, when we had our fabulous, beautiful sunny weather here in Ireland. It was gorgeous. It was up in the 20 degrees Celsius, which I'm not sure exactly what that is in Fahrenheit, but today it's 64 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 17 or 18 degrees Celsius. So we're back to our winter weather. We're back in our winter clothes. But yeah, it was lovely, and those days we took advantage and sat out in the sun to eat. And it's lovely memories to have, because there'd be no sitting out eating this weather at the moment on this, the 27th of July, which is a bit sad, but anyway, that's Irish weather for you. Now I'm moving on to the next dish, which was lasagna. And this day I decided to make my lasagna in individual dishes for everybody, just for a bit of fun, because I had picked up a few dishes in our local charity shop and I just wanted to try them out. So I'll just put on a little bit of music here and you can watch me making my lasagna, which is all from the top of my head at this stage, because it's one of those dishes that I've made over and over. just putting together the salad for dinner, and I've lettuce, cucumbers and little cherry tomatoes in here, and I'm adding in some of my salad dressing. I have the recipe of this salad dressing on my channel. So there we go, quick mix up, and that's salad ready for dinner. The lasagna's in the oven, so we're nearly ready to go. And the lasagna is ready to serve up and have out in the lovely sunshine again. Oh, how I long for those days to come back. Anyway, such is life in Ireland. So here's just a few little scenes from the countryside around where we live, and there it is with the blue sky. Oh, wasn't it lovely? Anyway, I just want to thank you all for joining me today, and thank you for those of you who have watched until the end. If you give me a nice sunflower in the comments, I'll be able to see who watched until the end. I'd love to see that. So thank you all very much, and I hope you're all having a wonderful summer. And I really, really appreciate all my viewers and my subscribers, and I ask God to bless you all in a very special way while you watch this video. So I will talk to you all soon. Thank you again. Don't forget the thumbs up, and don't forget the sunflower in the comments. God bless. Talk to you soon. Bye.